Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be taking a look at some hot haircut and hairstyle ideas that you can wear this spring season. First up, we have this gorgeous shag haircut. This is a very popular hairstyle that we're going to be seeing worn all 2023. Beautiful highlights mixed in with that one. And then we see this gorgeous peekaboo highlight money piece look with the blue throughout the hair. Gorgeous face framing color. And she is also rocking a stunning layered hairstyle. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we move on to the next style. So she has a really pretty burgundy hair color. Also some layers throughout. Two very trendy hair looks in one, the burgundy as well as the layered hair. And then we have another caramel colored money piece highlight look. Beautiful layers throughout with that one as well. And then we have this gorgeous bob haircut. This one does feature salt and pepper color throughout and a cascading back. And then we have another stunning layered haircut. So the shaggy layered style, the 90s layers, butterfly layers, the wolf cuts, all of these are going to be huge trends that we are seeing in 2023. They are a great way to shape your hair if you were growing your hair out during the pandemic, or if you're just looking for a way to add some volume to your strands. These are all great haircut ideas to try out. This one features some beautiful bangs in the front, gorgeous wispy texture throughout. And then we have another layered look. This one features more of like the wispy layered bangs in the front. Great way to add some volume to the hair. And then we have this gorgeous shaggy wolf cut look. Love the way that the color and the curls look. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.